Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to hard reset, or rather how to factory reset your AirPods Max when you have them connected to an Android phone. So this is very simple. So you can see this particular AirPods Max are connected to my Samsung, which is an Android phone. And so now if I want to hard reset this, all I have to do is grab the headphones and then put one finger on the digital crown and one finger on this other button, and then you want to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for about 40 to 50 seconds until this light blinks orange twice or thrice. Okay, so the crown and this button, just press them down, press and hold. So as you can see, I'm still holding. I'm just looking out for this little light here. I'm still holding. There you go. So there is the orange flash and the AirPods have been reset. You can confirm that by checking out your paired devices. You try to connect, it's going to ask to pair afresh, and that means they have actually been reset. So that is basically how to hard reset or how to factory reset your AirPods Max when they are connected to an Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.